want to know why everything is so ugly between you and me? You want to know why no conflict is ever healthy between you and me? It's because of you. मैं तुमको एक आईना दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ जो तुमको देखना ही नहीं है.
आईना? किस बात का आईना?
तुम्हारी गलतियों का आईना. You never acknowledge what you do. Even if you do, it never feels real because you make me feel that I was equally wrong. You make me apologize for feeling bad.
Do you understand that you're the one that called me a bitch? How do you expect me to react to something like that? Do you think it is very noble of you to be using such words? We had a pact, Kapil. No matter what happens, we do not cross certain boundaries.
Yes, we had a pact and I crossed the boundary. I am sorry. I take full accountability, full responsibility of it. But are you willing to see that I reacted like that because you did something that hurt me? You did something to...
Listen, jo bhi ho, you cannot use such language. I will not tolerate it.
And I am supposed to tolerate all the hurt, disrespect and crossing of boundaries that you throw at me. Boundaries are only important when they're yours. What the fuck?
अरे यार ये क्या बाउंड्री लगा के रखा है यार? बाउंड्री के नाम पे कुछ भी बोलोगे अब तुम?
कुछ भी?
Yes, कुछ भी.
It is not कुछ भी. It is my hurt.
This is not your hurt, Kapil. This is your toxic masculinity. You always want to show me how strong you are by trying to give galis, always yelling and asserting your dominance.
And you? Huh? And you trying to avoid any responsibility for what you do is the divine, healed feminine in you talking? All I said that I was unhappy.
Unhappy हुए तो क्या हुआ? You're always unhappy.
All I said that I was unhappy and we should spend some time together because I am feeling distant towards you. And you're like, yes, let's spend some time. Let's go out on a date. You planned the date and within 2 hours, what did you do? Derek has texted me. I have to finish this on priority. You always do this. You always do this. You prioritize something else over this relationship. You prioritize something else over me. Neglected feel nahi hoga kya? I tell you something is bothering me, you'll ignore it. I am telling you something is irritating me. I am not liking this. This is my boundary. Don't do it. You will ignore it. And the moment I call you a bitch, that is
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! I can't take it! I can't take it anymore, Kapil. I hate you! I hate you so much! You have no right to tell me that I'm wrong, okay? Nobody has the right to tell me that I'm wrong. All of my life, I've been told that there is something wrong with me. That I can't do this right, I can't do that right. And guess what? You are right, okay? I am incapable of doing anything at all. Is that what you want to hear? Are you happy?
जहाँ में ऐसा कौन है